welcome back to Mad Crypto. Right now I'm going to be showing you how I use support and resistance areas. It's just a different way of using support and resistance lines, and I always draw them on a higher time frame. Right now I'm on the daily chart. The minimum, usually I'd always draw them on the daily chart and just bring them back down into some of the smaller charts. Okay, you've seen here I have a few horizontal lines drawn in, and I'm going to draw in my boxes in between these lines. So I'm going to draw the first box here between the lines of that drawn. Okay, that's the first box is drawn around 7522727814. These numbers aren't exact. Like, if I'll just draw another box in, for example, drawn this other box, the next box in from here, I have 8325 to 8153. So the numbers aren't exact. So if once it breaks down through this area below 8153, the number 8153 isn't exact, but just our breaks closes on, say, a minimum of a 4-hour chart below that area. I'd expect it to come down to around the 7808 mark, something like that. So the numbers aren't exact, so don't get caught out just setting your take profit at exactly, say, 7808. I got caught out in that recently, where I had my I drew my area support and resistance box in. I had my the line of it was that was going to come down to, I drawn it as 8440, and I drew my I set my take profit at 8440 and it came down to 8441. So don't have your take profits or stop losses set at the exact lines. If you're not watching them, have them set above it a bit. It's just safer. So to continue on drawing these boxes in. So there, I have another one drawn around 9160 to 8900. And I've drawn another one around 9730 to 9500. And I have another one drawn to 10. It's probably a bit high, that one. That's around 10.3, drawn it in around 10.370 and starting at 10.174. So you can see I'll probably draw another just line of support and resistance there at about 9960, and I draw another line there at the 8600 mark. And say if we're going down a lot lower, draw a line around, I will just say 7189, around that. So you can see over the past, what date are we going back to here? To the 28th of December 2019, and we are on, what is the date is today? Today is the 8th of March. So you can see these the support and resistance areas, as we've come back down, they're holding quite true. So as soon as we've closed under there, I think I was watching this on the 4-hour chart. When we closed over there, it went straight down to there. When we close under there, we come up, basically, we'll draw this one a little bit. That line up. So I've moved that support and resistance box up to that. I've changed from 8153 to about 8400. So we see we broke through the resistance or the support around 8,900. We came down, touched the sort of 8,400, bounced back up. We came back into that area of support around 8,900 to 9,160. We hit the top of it, bounced back down. Again, you can see throughout here, hitting those sort of end points on the support and resistance areas, coming back up. Right now, so we've broken through, we're in the area between 8,900 and, because well, it's all, everyone looking is going to make their own judgment on it, but again, you could bring that up to the 8,600 area. You hear the 8,600 area has been talked about a lot. But that is basically how I'm drawing in my support and resistance areas. So I draw these on the higher time frame, and so this isn't your day trading scenario. You'd once it closes on say a minimum 4-hour chart, hopefully a 12-hour or daily, below one of these areas, I'll be putting on my either short or long if it's broken down or broken up, to go down and hit that next point, around about that next point, not exactly, don't get caught out like I did. But within, so it's when it's within, once it's broken through the areas of support and you're waiting for it to either hit down to the next area of support or go up to the next support resistance, that's when I'd lower the time frame and go down to the 4 hours or just the 1 hour, and it's within these areas between, it's within these areas between the support and resistance areas where I do more of my day trading. As you can see here, so when was this? This was 26th of February to the 5th of March. And you can go down lower again. But within this the period, the support from the upper part of the support box around 8,400 and the bottom part of the support box of around 8,900 or 8,950. And we see we were bouncing up, down off those two, up the upper and lower lines of those support and resistance areas. So we'll go back up to the daily, you can see it better. So this is just a strategy, one of the strategies I use for when I am trading. You can just see it's quite evident, it does hold true quite a lot. And then once you're in between the boxes, then you move down to the lower time frames and you can get closer to your day trading or smaller, getting in and out of trades in a day or a couple of days. That is all for this video. I just wanted to show you one of my main trading techniques. So off this, I'd start usually from this, and then you can bring in, so if we bring in the volume profile along the side, we can see here down around 7,200, that is a very large area of support. So if it was to keep breakdown through all the boxes at around 7,200, I would be buying, and I would expect don't know how big of a jump, but I'd be definitely expecting a bounce off that line to come back upwards. But that is it for this video. I just wanted to show you this. Hope it benefits your trading. But that's it for today. Thank you for watching Mad Crypto. Thank you.